Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? My name is Salar and I'm back in the vlogs. So this vlog is so interesting and very useful for you and me. So today, you know guys, I love cars a lot and we buy a brand new car. So for the car you need some dashes. You can guess the thing. You need accessories for the cars. So we'll start from a minute. Wait a second. First, subscribe, like and share the video. Come on, let's go. Come on. So can you guess what is the outside part which we have done? Comment down what we have done. So I'm gonna also say we have done the tinting. Tinting is this is a personal car, so we can do the tinting. In a company car we can't. So this is also a personal car. We have done the tinting. You guys can see this. This tinting is 50%. It's not like super 70, 100 like that. But still, it's so harder at night to see, but it's better in the morning. And you remember, guys, there was a sticker here. They removed that sticker because they couldn't stuck the tinting on this. Like a hot sunny day, tinting is the best day because the sunlight can't pass through it even. Sunlight never passes through it. So that's more better. You can't feel the heat inside the car. And come, let's check from the inside thing what we have done. Guys, I have modified my car. So last time I started from the front, now let's start from the back. First thing. This is a sheet cover. This was last time it was there. This thing was there. Now we kept this there. So this is a floor cover too. And whenever there are so many people, you can just 1, 2, 3, 4 sit here and this wouldn't become dirty. And I'm coming on this. This is a cleaning thing. You know, you can clean the roof by like everything. You can just take out this and you're like. So I'll remove this and show you guys. See this, guys. You can do the height and this thing more longer. You can do this, yeah, like this. Yeah. So this is adjustable and flexible. So you guys can see this. I can just clean my car like without scratches. This never gives scratches. So this is a better thing. And we're coming to the next thing. This is so fluffy. Super long. Also a new thing. This is like a towel of the car. So this, when you clean the car wet, when you just put water in it, so this is for that, for cleaning it. This is very soft. You can see this. We have two colors, green and orange. So this here. And okay, this is the back system. Come, let's go to the front. So guys, this is for sitting when you can keep your cushions. We bought these new cushions. They have a lot of silk. And this is a Burj Arab cushion. My father liked this and my mom liked this. So, and now the main thing. We have changed all of the seats cover. You guys can see this zip. See this, guys. See, this is the old one and this is the new one. We have changed this. This is a new design which has this. It's original from the Toyota. And so when we fixed this, the people who were fixing it took all of the seats out. And then when I saw the seats, and I got amazed when I saw the car. I was like, oh my god, this is an empty car. Then I got amazed and I was like, I asked my father, how did they take the seats out? And they make the video of that. I'll show you guys. So in the back there's no Prado, but at the front seats cover they have a Prado sign, which is not in the original, so I like that. And this is a vibrating machine for the spine on the back. My mom has a spine problem, so this is for that. And the best thing is this is for the cool box. You can see there are bottles inside. This is for the cool box. It's super soft than the last one. Now we are coming to the dashboard. This thing. We also have kept the covers on here. So there's one more AC here, so that's why we have kept the dots. And you know the exhaust for this, when it's hot, so we have put the dots also here. It looks better. The old one is gray in color, but this is more brighter, which matches the seats. Now this is the best thing for the parents. This is the best thing for the driver and the parents. It's a fluffy knob for the shift gear. It's called a fluff. I'm just calling it fluffy because it's super soft. Actually it's called knob gear. So this is the best thing when my father likes to reverse drive, so he just touches this and makes him relax. Now for the steering wheel. The last steering wheel, the original one, was very harder and it wasn't a little bit smooth. Then we bought this, the silky one. That's more better than the old one. So guys, you need a lot of accessories for this car. So guys, now I'm gonna say the advantages of these all things. First, this made my parents relax. This is for my mother's spine, okay? And this is when you keep your arm here, so that makes you more relaxed. And when this wasn't there, the last thing was very hard and it gets pain here. This is when the sunlight comes here in like midday time, it gets super hot. It gets like very hot. When you keep your hand, it starts burning. So that's why this is there. And this is for the smooth driving. Okay guys, and this thing we have also put like a kind of carpet, you can say. This wasn't there last time and we have put there and all of the sides. I've also kept the carpet here. These are the carpets, so the car wouldn't get dirty, and the original carpets even. And wait, let me show you guys. This is the fire thing, so wait. You guys can see this. This is the carpet. So this is not original. We have provided this from a shop. We have put all the stitches so it can get easily stuck and no sand can get inside this. So now we are coming to the very important thing of this new generation. That is mobile. So we need mobile for emergency in everything. An accident, emergency meeting, everything. So, but if you use mobile in a car, you get more than 5 black points and a 1,000 dirham fine. So you should not use mobile when you are driving. And this person who is sitting this side of him, he should also close the mobile, because the driver also get attracted and he also concentrate on driving, and he avoids the driving and comes to the mobile. So this is for the charging of the mobile. You guys can see this. We also have an iPhone and a Samsung for emergency. If someone needs to call, so we have a Samsung and an iPhone. So we both can connect them in these. And you can just charge your mobile, but you can't use it when you're driving. So be careful of this. So now, whenever you go to travel, go to a long drive, and like a meeting, or you want to be relaxed, or anything you want to do, the most important thing is songs. You need songs to make your mind relax. So this is a aux cable. This is an aux cable which connects with the car and with the mobile. You guys can see this. It can connect in iPhone till iPhone X. Till iPhone X. But you can't connect it in iPhone XR because it has a cable. You can connect this with that. This cable for the headphones. So this is the option of, wait a second, let me restart this. This is the media and this is the area. So we connect this. Now it's showing no connection. Connect your AUX. When we remove this, it just shows no connection, the same thing. But when we connect a mobile and you do an audio, the sound comes on your car. He is a businessman and he needs this important. He needs a diary to write his notes. I can't open this because I don't have a permission. You guys should never open things of your parents without their permission. The next thing, they have a pen. They have this, a measuring tape. You know, he's a businessman and he needs this everywhere. So this is the important thing. And every time we buy a new car or he sits in another car, he just takes this and go there. And sometimes he forgets his wallet and then he just takes this. So he's a contractor, so that's why he needs this every time. So guys, let's do it. Before going to the next video, subscribe, like, share the video and comment what should we do with the car next. Guys, these are the important things for a new car or an old car, and these are the main things. So like my video, comment what should we do next with the car, and subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Bye.